The 2025 Honda Integra returns as a bold statement of what a modern sporty compact should be, seamlessly blending heritage, technology, and everyday practicality. In a market saturated with crossovers and SUVs, Honda has chosen to lean into nostalgia while pushing forward with modern performance cues, making the new Integra one of the most exciting entries in the sport compact segment this year. When you first set your eyes on the 2025 Integra, there's a sense of continuity with its storied past. The silhouette immediately recalls the sleek, clean lines that made earlier Integra models iconic during the 90s and early 2000s. However, the design is anything but dated. The new Integra adopts Honda's latest design language, with a wider stance, sharply creased body lines, and a fastback-like rear profile that subtly nods to the coupe form without compromising practicality. The front fascia is aggressive but tasteful. LED headlights with a piercing DRL signature flank a wide grille that has just enough sporty edge without being overdone. The 2025 model rides on a refined version of the Honda architecture platform, shared with the Civic and CR-V. Yet, Honda engineers have tuned it specifically for the Integra, stiffening the chassis and refining the suspension to deliver the kind of handling dynamics driving enthusiasts expect. It feels taut on twisty roads, with minimal body roll and a steering setup that, while electrically assisted, manages to provide good feedback and engagement. Under the hood, the base model gets a familiar yet evolved 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 200 horsepower and 192 pound-feet of torque. It's the same unit found in the Civic C, but tweaked for smoother power delivery and slightly better throttle response. Paired with either a CVT or, thankfully, a slick shifting 6-speed manual, the Integra maintains its enthusiast appeal. For those who crave more, Honda now offers an Integra Type S variant. Borrowing from the Civic Type R's powerhouse, it boasts a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that churns out 320 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful front-wheel drive production cars on the market. And no, it doesn't come with an automatic, only a 6-speed manual and a limited slip differential, just the way it should be. In terms of performance, the Integra Type S accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.8 seconds. More importantly, it's not just about straight-line speed. Honda has worked hard to make this car corner like it's on rails. The adaptive dampers, revised suspension geometry, and wider tires give it a level of grip and confidence few in this price range can match. It turns in sharply, rotates predictably, and brakes with tenacity. It's a driver's car, through and through. Step inside, and the 2025 Integra impresses with a premium feel that pushes it slightly above the standard Civic in terms of materials and design. Soft touch materials, contrast stitching, and a driver-focused cockpit elevate the experience. The 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, while the standard 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A new feature for 2025 is the integration of Google built-in, which adds native Maps, Assistant, and Play Store apps. For audiophiles, the optional 16-speaker L Studio 3D premium audio system is a standout, offering clear, immersive sound that transforms the cabin into a mobile concert hall. Practicality hasn't been sacrificed for performance, either. The rear seats offer adequate room for adults, and the hatchback design means the cargo space is surprisingly generous, more than enough for weekend trips, daily errands, or even the occasional IKEA run. Honda's renowned reputation for reliability and low maintenance costs further sweeten the deal, especially for younger buyers who want both thrills and peace of mind. Safety remains a strong suit. The 2025 Integra comes standard with the Honda Sensing suite of driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and collision mitigation braking. In the Type S, these features are seamlessly integrated, with minimal intrusion into the spirited driving experience. Honda's engineering team deserves praise for managing to make safety and fun coexist so harmoniously. Beyond the specs and features, what truly sets the 2025 Integra apart is the feeling it evokes. It's a car that reminds you why you fell in love with driving in the first place. Whether you're carving through a mountain pass or navigating the daily commute, it feels alive in a way that few modern cars do. There's a directness in the controls, a mechanical honesty that makes every drive enjoyable. Honda has also leaned into personalization for this generation. Buyers can choose from a range of vibrant exterior colors, including heritage-inspired tones like Phoenix Yellow and Boost Blue. A variety of dealer-installed accessories let owners further tailor their Integra to their style, be it carbon fiber accents, performance intakes, or forged alloy wheels. Fuel economy remains respectable. The base 1.5-liter model delivers around 30 mpg city and 37 mpg highway with the CVT, slightly less with the manual. The Type S, while thirstier, still manages a respectable 24 mpg combined, thanks in part to its efficient engine tuning and aerodynamic design. On the tech front, the Integra incorporates Honda's latest suite of connectivity options. In addition to the usual smartphone integration, the 2025 model offers over-the-air software updates, remote vehicle control via the Honda Link app, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. There's even an available head-up display that projects speed, navigation, and safety alerts directly onto the windshield, helping drivers stay focused on the road ahead. In terms of competition, the Integra lines up against the likes of the Mazda